pursuing mechanical engineering from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering in Mumbai. As per academics, they had to make a project, so she finalized a team and she finalized a topic on IC engine and its efficiency. So she along with her team from an old garage, they did lot of research for previously, and from a old garage they took a piston cylinder arrangement, and they took it on the ground and began inspecting all the parts to get the idea. They made a 3D model in SolidWorks, and after that they published a research paper on that. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture I have perceived 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female, age ranging between 20 to 25, and the overall mood is positive. The action of my story is founding the old machine. Ram is a 21-year-old engineering student, went back to his village, Ushapur. There he noticed the barren land in front of his home, so he with his cousins and friends decided to dig the earth and started planting trees in it. There he noticed the old machine under the ground. The curiosity in his arisen, and then he started inspecting it, and also asked his parents the use of that machine. After that, he learned the use and also enjoyed his vacation. Thank you.
So the picture which is shown to us, I perceive 3 characters, out of which 2 are male and 1 is female, and all are in positive mood, and the age of my characters are from 18 to 22 years. The action of my story is that making water for the irrigation in the village. So Arun is a final year student of mechanical engineering. While going to his village, he noticed that there are not proper irrigation facilities in his village, and there are small water reservoirs which are not used because of less irrigation facilities. So he utilized his mechanical engineering knowledge and made a very efficient motor which is run on low electricity, and he used that machine with his friends and do the testing in the village, and he found extremely good results, and he deployed that machine in the village and increased the yields of the farmers. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female, age ranging between 23 to 17, and action of the story is fixing a water motor for the irrigation of the fields. And Shiv, a 23-year-old engineering student at Jabalpur, when he visited his village for his vacation, he saw that the village is at a remote location, and the motor of the fields which was at not used. So he used his knowledge. Uses engineering knowledge, and fixed the motor for the irrigation, and irrigated the fields, and the harvest was done properly. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have pursued 3 characters, 2 males and 1 female, age ranging between 18 to 23. The action of my story is preparing for the project on the motor working. My story goes like this. Ajay, who is a 18-year-old student of Dharmo Public School, he is an active participant of all the activity taking place in college. In his college, there is a competition of science working took place. He has participated with her friend Asa. Both had decided to work on the motor working. For it, they went to the Sumit, who is a motor mechanic. He learned about the motor and how it works, about its construction and its visualization. They learned about all the things. They work on that, made a project and presented it in the competition. They won the competition. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From this picture I have perceived 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female, age bracket between 17 and 22 years, and the overall mood of the story is positive. The action of my story is teaching children how to fix a water pump. Ram is a 22-year-old mechanical engineering graduate who currently works in an NGO. One day his supervisor asked him to go to a nearby village and teach the children of that village basic skills. So he goes to the village and goes to a farmer's house where he teaches how to fix and operate a water pump to the children of that house. He ensures that he teaches in a very simple language so that the children understand better. They listen to him intently, and after teaching them and explaining them how to work on the water pump, he is satisfied that he is able to make those children skilled and self-dependent. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. From the picture shown to us, I perceived 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female. Their age were lie between 19 to 20-year-old. Their mood were positive. Action of my story: repairing a water motor. Suraj, 19, B.Tech mechanical student living in Bhopal. While on his vacation, when he visited his village, he noticed a home motor didn't work properly. So he immediately took the responsibility to repair it. He coordinated with his village friends who know the knowledge about the motor and thereafter ensured the proper connection of wire in the motor. He also used the mechanical instrument to check the electricity flow in the motor. Because of his idea and initiative and team efforts, he find the loopholes on the motor and repair it properly. Thank you.
Join everyone. From the picture, I have perceived 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female. Age ranging between 17 to 18 and the overall mood is positive. The action of my story is bringing back water to the village. Ram, an 18-year-old student who had a deep interest in motors, mechanics and electrical equipments, was visiting his village when he found out that there was a severe lack of water in his village. He, with the help of his 2 friends, visited the Sarpanch and asked him about this condition. The Sarpanch told him that there was a minor issue at the motor and they had filed complaint, but there was no action. He, with the help of his cousins, went to the place. With the help of spade, dug up the motor, fixed it, and Ram soon found out the technical issue and repaired it with the tools that he had brought. He put the motor back into the ground, reconnected it with the water lines and bring water back to the village, thus saving the hardships of many villagers and getting gratitude from many villagers from the village. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. As shown picture, I perceive 3 characters, 2 are males and 1 are female. Age bracket around 20 to 25 and all modes are positive. And the action of my story is repairing a motor for irrigation. Ram, a 25-year-old, completed his ITI in Polytechnic Bhopal, and he lived with his younger sister and brother in near village. One day during his farming, he saw that there is a motor did not work for the supply of water in his field. So he repaired the motor with his equipments, and the water is continue flowing. And due to this is his skill, he able to supply the water, and they earn money with the help of crops. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I perceive 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female, and the age range is between 16 to 29 years old, and all are in positive mood. And the action of my story is helping the neighbors in fixing the motor. Aditya is a 29-year-old man and has done M.Tech in mechanical engineering and is currently working in Tata Motors. He has come to his village in his leave. One day he saw that his neighbors were irrigating the field, but suddenly they stopped working. He approached them, asked them what is the problem. He got to know that the motor stopped working and asked if he could help them in repairing the motor. He then repaired the motor by using his knowledge which he had gained throughout the years. He then repaired the motor and explained them the problem and how to avoid it by using lubricants and grease. Then they continued their work. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 3 characters, out of which 2 are male and 1 is female. The overall mood is positive. Rahul, a 22-year-old student from MBM Engineering College, Jaipur, has visited his hometown during semester breaks. During the visit to his farm, he saw motor is not working properly. So along with his cousins, he showed them on how to correct the motor so that they can correct it whenever there is need. He showed them and they applauded him for his skills. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived 3 characters. 2 are males and 1 is female. Age group of around 15 to 24 years, and overall mood is positive. The action of my story is fixing water motor. Ram, a 24-year-old man, took responsibility of his family. One day, his younger brother and sister told him about that the water motor is not working well. So they decided to fix the water motor. The main source of their earning was farming. So due to this, they are not able to harvest the crops. So later, with the help of his brother and sister, they fixed the motor and done their pending works. Thank you.
From the given picture, I perceive 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female, age ranging from 19 to 20. The mood has been positive. The action of my story is repairing the motor to help the farmers to irrigate the field. Mohit, a 20-year-old mechanical engineering student, along with his friend, saw the farmers were having trouble starting the tube well motors and to provide the required waters in the field. He inspected the motors while his friend dug out a pathway to provide water with a shovel. After that, after diagnosing, they took the motors to the college workshop and removed the malfunctional part with the spare new parts. Grease the gears and the belt to provide proper power to provide the energy to provide the water. After that, they helped the farmers to install the motor in the farm and then also connected the pipes to provide the water. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have pursued 3 characters. 1 is male, 2 is male, and 1 is female. The age is ranging between 16 to 21. And the action of the picture: repairing a water pump. Ram is a 21-year-old mechanical engineer, recently completed the graduation. He with his brother and sister Sam and Sita going for the morning walk and saw the motor pump is not working well. He repaired the motor pump and also teaches how to repair these types of problems and what measures take at this time. And he also teaches how in the future how this technology make it advanced. These subjects are teachers. After that, Ram brother and Sita and her sister decided to become a mechanical engineer, and after that decided to joining as in mechanical engineer as an arm for the involving as the technical knowledge in the armed forces for helping the nature. Thank you.
And everyone, from the above picture I have perceived 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female, age ranging between 17 to 22 years. Action of my story is it is a scene of a village farm where a group of cousins are repairing a water motor. Ravi, 22 years old, who had recently completed his graduation in mechanical engineering from Jodhpur district. In the summer vacation, he has come to his village. For holiday. One day, his parents told that the water motor on their farmhouse is not working properly. He went there and analyzed the problem. Due to some malfunctioning, it was not functioning properly. He analyzed that he required some more manpower, so he called his cousins who lived nearby for some help. Their cousins are still studying in school and they have math as their stream. He analyzed the problem and he found out that some parts are not working properly, so he replaced them with some new spare parts. Through his practical knowledge and skills, he solved the problem well. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived 3 characters from the given picture, in which 2 are male and 1 are female. The age ranges between 15 to 25 and the overall mood is positive. The action of my story is repairing the water pumps for the village. Together, a 25-year-old boy studying mechanical engineering from IIT Roorkee. One day he visited his village in Riva for holidays, in which he found that the village is having difficulty for the irrigation in the farms as their crops are not yielding. He found out that the water pump is not working. As soon as he visited the field, he identified the problem and completed the malfunctioning parts as the motor works properly. His younger brother and sister also saw him doing the work with passion and skills, and with knowledge he completed the work in the given time and makes the motor work properly for the village, for which he was applauded by the village. Thank you.
I have pursued 3 characters in a picture, 2 male and 1 female, the age ranging between 12 to 23 years old. The action of my story is repairing the motor pump for irrigation. And the story is Mohan is 23-year-old mechanical engineer, and he's come to his village for his vacation leave. And after that, one day is going to his field, and they see the motor pump is not working properly. So they call his sister and brother for carry the toolkit. and after that they repair the whole motors, and they teach them how to repair it, and they ensure that the water flow properly or not in a crop, and after that their father is happy and appreciate him. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the shown picture, I have perceived 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female. All are in positive mood. Age ranging between 20 to 11-year-old. Roy, a 20-year-old mechanical engineering student at Manet, Bhopal, on his semester break, he decided to travel to his hometown, which is in Sihor. On reaching his hometown, he realized that the submersible water pump, which is used for irrigation, is not working properly. So he asked his younger brother and sister to help him with the repairing of the submersible water pump. They carried the tool, which also helps in the development of the eagerness in their towards the machinery. While inspecting the submersible water pump, Roy found out that the circuit system in which the circuit system and the wiring of the submersible water pump has short circuited. So he replaced the wire and greased all parts of the submersible water pump, which results in the working of the water pump correctly and helping his father in the irrigation work.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female, age ranging from 12 to 37 years. And the action of my story is father-son bonding. Mahesh, a 37-year-old man, came back to his village on a weekend with his family to show his son the place where he grew up. On reaching their old home, his wife complained to him that the water is not coming from the taps. So he quickly grabbed his tool and went to the water motor, and also asked his son to join him along. His son gladly joined his father and was seeing him repairing the motor pump, while their mother was very glad that they seeing Mahesh bonding with his son while doing little things and work, and she wanted to and she was glad to see so, and decided to join this joyous moment between father and son.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown to us, I perceived 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female, age ranging between 17 to 21-year-old, and overall mood is positive. She, the agriculture student, decided to create a home garden in front of her house. She decided a place with proper sunlight and also took help of her brothers to fix the motors and connecting it to the field. She took help of her brother and created organic manure, and also they decided the task as her younger brother was helping in plowing the field, and she was sowing the seed, and the elder brother was watering the plant. They connected the water and the field via motor using the sprinkler irrigation method, and they took care of the field and the garden, and they created a home garden, and also got fresh vegetable from the field and shared it with the family and neighbors.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceived 3 characters, 1 female, 2 male, age between 20 to 21 years old, and the action of my story is resolving the problem of water scarcity in village. Priya, an agriculture science student, lived with her friends in hostel. Long ago, she had observed the problem of water scarcity in her village and had planned to resolve it. During her vacation, along with her friends, she went to the village, spread awareness, raised the fund from Panchayat and the villagers, and successfully installed the system of rainwater harvesting, and also ensured the installation of motor pump to fetch the water. She also ensured the operation of the motor pump, and later with this small initiative, gradually a large system of rainwater harvesting was installed in the village, which eventually resolved the problem of water scarcity. She felt satisfied with their contribution for their village. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 3 characters, age ranging between 22 to 16 to 22 years old, and the overall mood of the story is positive. And the action of my story is repairing the water motor to help his father. Raman, a 22-year-old, is a BTech graduate in mechanical engineering. After completing his graduation, he came back to his village On returning to his village, he came to know that the water motor which his father used for irrigation is not working. On hearing that, he along with his brother and sister went to the field and dug out the water motor and checked the water motor and found the fault and brought tools to repair it, and finally he fixed the water motor. He also taught his siblings about the basics of working of the water motor and how to repair it. He also helped his father in the irrigation of the fields, and his father was happy about it. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. In the image I perceived 3 characters, 2 males, 1 female, with their ages ranging from 17 to 22. My action was modernizing agriculture on the field. Mohan, a BTech graduate from Jabalpur Engineering College, was keen on reading up about current affairs and also about new technologies so he could improve agriculture on his field of 5 acres in Patan. One day, he heard about the developments of the Green Revolution, such as irrigation pumps, chemical fertilizers, and a high-yielding variety of seeds. He went to his village. He procured the capital through some local cooperatives and some volunteering efforts. He bought the necessary equipment. He installed the new pumps with the help of his brother and sister and taught them how to use that pump. He also taught his brother and sister how to handle chemicals safely, and he also helped them sow the new variety of seeds. Next year, when he returned to the village from the city, he found that the yield had increased multifold. This move inspired the other farmers to modernize agriculture on their field as well. Thank you.
Jai Hind, sir. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From the given picture, I have pursued 3 characters, 2 males and 1 female, age ranging from 19 to 25 years of old. And the mood of everyone's mood is positive. The action of my story is helping them to use technology in a better way. And my theme is technology makes life easier. So the story goes around like this. Ram, a 25-year-old electrical engineer, is working in an IT company in Chennai. During festival breaks, he decided to visit his village to meet his grandparents. While during a morning walk, he saw two people who are facing some problems with the irrigation issues and also to start a generator. He went there and tried to help them and repair the machines and also convey them about the new technologies and their functioning. Then he saw the farmers and the peoples in that village are still using the old techniques for the irrigation and farming. He conveys them about the benefits of artificial intelligence and also the new technologies like drone and also the AI robots made by the AI male and female robots made by the Indian government to make the irrigations better. And also the use of satellite for the irrigation purpose to know where the land is going to be fertile and so on. So, and he also conveys the same thing to the head of the village. After that, he goes back to his house, and later after celebrating the festival, he goes back to his office and continued his work and also shared the new experience with his office mates. Thank you.
Okay, boys and girls, you can start your discussion.
So I believe in
Okay. So we'll have from Abhishek to Yash first.
So
I believe most of us has made a story basis on this motor, and there are friends who are helping the motors to provide water for the irrigation, and most of us has made the exact same story. So let's build on that. First, there's the motor that we believe that was not malfunctioned and we needed to repair. So I would like to you to also contribute to the point.
So in this picture, as my person said, they are student. They are not 25 or 20 years. They can reach like a 19-year student who is mechanical first aid student repairing the motor. So
I think they changed the oil.
the main point of this is we have already discussed the issue. Let's build on that. What I'm saying is we have already discussed the issue. So here, what I'm suggesting that the motor is already malfunctioned. We have already discussed that. Now, what are the steps to repair it?
Okay, Anirudh to Gavle.
So from the all the three characters, and I think all two of them are male and one is female. So guys, we already have to consider different but all were doing the photo work from the education.
That is a mechanical engineer.
So let's focus that he was doing the irrigation problem solving. How to resolve these types of problems like repairing a water pump and when adding all agree that you are doing the same part. Let's focus on the motor problem. The problem is there. So how do we fix this problem?
So I think we first of all we will see for the
all sort of short circuit or anything or
pumping problem.
Already solve the problem by analyzing the current flow of the
how do we fix the submersible water pump? I think there is the most logical problem is that we can repair it. It's all water irrigation problem was there.
ये पार्टी पूरी जो बच गई है.
So I think most of us have identified the character as a mechanical engineer. So let us check towards it. And for solving the water pump problem, we can identify main character as an agro-based startup. He was visiting the village. Agro-based agriculture products. He identified that people are struggling with the water pump supply. So he firstly repaired.
Use it for the purpose we need to use it.
Like how we can go with the background of the canal irrigation system.
He firstly repaired the water pump supply. They are probably also.
And also we can see like one of the boy has a shawl in his hand, so we can make
when they are teaching the other two persons.
So as to make the children familiar, he also familiarized them with the part.
Only girls.
Okay,
they are making
I think most of us agree that this story is about the fixing the water pump and irrigating the
All of you.
So I think that actually
Okay, nominate a person from this group. Nominate from this group. Nominate from this group. Nominate from this group. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I will. तुम लोग नहीं करोगे, मैं करूँगा. विधि विधान, चंद्राकर, अल्पना, यश, शांतनु, and गावड़े. खुशी दीदी, अरविंदम, शिक्षा. इधर से कौन है? पद्मा एंड आसावारी. ठीक है. एंड लास्ट में तुम लोग बोले नहीं क्या अभी तक? युवराज. ओके, चलो बोलो भाई, शुरू करो. अल्पना लो.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jai Hind, sir. So from a common discussion, we have come to the conclusion that from the picture we have perceived 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female, and the overall mood is positive. The age bracket ranging between 17 to 22 years. So Ram is a 22-year-old man who is a mechanical engineer working in Bhopal. As a lead, he comes to his village to meet his family, who are his family parents and his younger brother and sister. And when he comes to the village, he realizes that the irrigation pump of their field is not working. So he gathers his younger siblings and teaches them how to fix the pump in case when he is not there. He teaches them how to analyze the problem and the various steps of how to fix the pump and operate it after it is fixed very well. And his brother and sister learn it intently. And in this way, he is satisfied that he is able to fix the pump and also teach his brothers and sisters, and so that he does not have to worry about it again.
and in this way he helps them and goes back to his city.
ऐसे बोलोगे आप जाओगे.
After the group discussion, we have all together come to a conclusion that the overall characters in this picture are 3, 2 male and 1 female, and the age ranging between 17 to 18, and the overall mood is positive. We have come to the conclusion that there is a character named Ram who is 18 years old and is visiting his village. When he found out that there is a severe lack of water in his village, he with his help of his cousins went to the Sarpanch and asked him about the issue. When he found out that the motor connecting the water supply is malfunctioned, so he took the permission from the Sarpanch, brought his tools, and with a spade dug up the motor, brought the motor up to the ground, repaired it with his tools, and put the motor back to the ground and reconnected with the water lines, making the village water connected once again. And thus he was greeted with gratitude from all the villagers, saving the hardships of many villagers and winning the gratitude of villagers.
Nidhi Pradhan, be a game changer.
Yes, sir.
Please participate. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
I can see everything in you. तेरे कान भी लकी वाले हैं. हाथी के कान. So गज चाल चल. Yes, sir.
Thanking the group to give me opportunity to narrate our common story. Sir, after the discussion, we come to the conclusion that there are 3 characters in this picture, and their age were lie between 19 to 20-year-old. Their mood were positive. Action of our story: repairing a motor to increase the irrigation. So Suraj, 19, a B.Tech mechanical student living in Bhopal. So while on his vacation, when he visited his village, he noticed that his village irrigation motor doesn't work properly. So immediately took the responsibility to repair it. So he coordinated with his other friends as well as Sarpanch who know the information about the motor, and also he ensured the proper connection of electricity and using the mechanical tools to repair it. After that, he found the loopholes on the motor and repaired it properly and took the gratitude of the villagers. Thank you.
Group solution should be short and sweet. Yeah. Next.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jai Hind, sir. After the healthy discussion, we have arrived at the conclusion that there are 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female, age 20, 20 and 19 respectively. The mood is being positive. The action of our story is repairing the motor to help the farmer in irrigation. Mohit, a 20-year-old mechanical engineering student, along with his friend, noticed that the farmers were having trouble with the working of tube well motors, and was not able to provide the water for irrigation. They inspected the tube well over there. They took the motor after diagnosing to their mechanical workshop and repaired the malfunction part with the newest spare parts. Also greased the gears and belt to provide powers in that. After that, he gave it to the farmers, connected with the tube well and the water pipes to provide water to the irrigation. Thank you.
Jai Hind, everyone. Thank you, Guru, for nominating me. From our discussion, we have concluded that there are 3 characters, 2 male, 1 female, age ranging between 17 to 22 years. It is a scene of a village farm where a group of cousins are repairing water motor. Ravi, 22 years old, who has recently completed his graduation in mechanical engineering. He has also recently done an internship successfully in Mahindra company. In the summer vacation, he has come to his village. One day, his parents told him about the problem happening in their farm and related to irrigation. And he analyzed the problem, checked the current flow, checked the water line in their field, and he analyzed the problem and he
repaired it. ठीक है, बैठ जाओ. चलो next. ज़्यादा बोलोगे फंसोगे यार. ठीक है.
Jain sir, thank you everyone for nominating my name. So from the given picture, we have perceived 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female, age ranging from 18 to 22 years. The action of our story is solving the irrigation in the village. Mahesh, a 22-year-old engineer, mechanical engineer, came back to his village and saw the problem of irrigation. So he, along with his 2 friends, went to the water irrigation system and overcame the problem by fixing the irrigation fixing the irrigation system, and he actually fixed the irrigation water pump, and the village was happy with his work. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, group, for nominating me, Jain sir. From the healthy discussion, we have concluded that in this picture there are 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female, age range between 17 to 21 years, and the mood is positive, and the action of our story is fixing the old motor pump for the irrigation. The Sheetal is a agriculture student. She took help of her brother, who is a mechanical student in a college, and they fixed a old water pump old water motor with the help of her brother, and they irrigated the farm with it, and the field was very good irrigated, and then they had the good field. And
Thank you for nominating me, Jai Hind sir. From the discussion, we have concluded that the three characters in the picture, 2 male and 1 female, age ranging between 16 to 22 years, and the overall mood of the story is positive. And the action of the story is repairing the water motor to help his father. Raman, a 22-year-old BTech graduate, is a BTech graduate in mechanical engineering. On returning to his village, he came to know that the water motor which his father used for irrigation is not working. So he, along with his brother and sister, went to the field, dug out the water motor, checked the water motor, found the fault, and finally fixed it. He also taught his brothers and sisters about the basics of the working of the water motor and how to repair it. And he later on helped his father in the irrigation. Thank you.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jai Hind sir. From the picture, we have came to a conclusion that there are 3 characters, and age range is 17 to 22, and overall mood is positive. Action of our story is repairing a motor pump. So Ram, a 22-year-old, is a graduate of mechanical engineering. Before placements, he went to his native village, native place. There he noticed that the water pump in their field is not working. So he along with his brothers and sisters went there. He asked his brother to take all the tools. He taught them how to repair the pump. He greased the pump, and he repaired it and taught them how to repair it. So with this, all the brothers and sisters they learned how to repair a pump. Thank you.
Well done.
So thank you, group, for nominating me for the group story, and Jai Hind sir. From the discussion, we have perceived 3 characters, out of which 2 are male and 1 is female. The age group is from 18 to 22 years, and the mood is positive. And the action of our story is repairing the irrigation pump in the village. So Arun is a final year student of mechanical engineering. While going to his village, he noticed that some of the farmers are getting trouble in the irrigation as their motors are not working properly. So he utilized his engineering knowledge and took out the motors with the help of his friends and repaired them properly, and also taught them the troubleshooting things, like if it happens in future, so some of the minute things they can do to repair their motor by their own, and by this the irrigation system again works properly and the yields of the farmers were boosted. Thank you.
Thank you, group, for nominating me, Jai Hind sir. The group have perceived 3 characters, 2 males and 1 female, age ranging between 16 to 23. And Shiv, an engineering student who has gone to village for his vacation, he saw that the irrigation system of the motor, which was fixed in the main field, which supplied the water to all the fields, was malfunctioned. So he used his engineering knowledge and implemented it and fixed the motor and helped the village to get the harvesting properly and done successfully. Thank you.
Yeah, online कौन बोलेगा?